sum or difference of product. Sum means addition and difference means subtraction. Addition or subtraction of the product. Algorithm. Let us read now algorithm. First step is write the answer of multiplication in parts by using Urdhva Tiryaka Sutra. Second step is add the numbers in those parts vertically. And third step is now accept leftmost part, retain units place digit in all parts and pass extra digits, if any, to its immediate left part and start this process from right side. Leftmost part may contain more than one digit. So friends, let us solve these three examples. So the first example is, see, first example is 45 multiplied by 37 plus 93 multiplied by 35. So there are two products. First of all, write these two products here. 45 multiplied by 37 plus 93 multiplied by 35. So friends, write the answer of this multiplication. We are going to use Urdhva Tiryak multiplication. Write the answer of this multiplication in parts. Okay, so let us do this multiplication first. 45 multiplied by 37. See, starting from right side, 7 multiplied by 5, 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Now crosswise, okay, 7 4s are 28 plus 3 5s are 15. 28 plus 15, 28 plus 10, 38 plus 5, 43. Okay, write 43 in second part. Now second column, multiplying vertically, 3 4s are 12. Yes, we wrote 12 in third part from right side. So friends, we have written the answer of this multiplication, 45 multiplied by 37, in three parts. Now let us calculate the product of 93 and 35. 93 multiplied by 35. 5 3s are 15. Write 15 in first part from right side below 35. Now crosswise, 5 9s are 45 plus 3 3s are 9. 45 plus 9. How much? 54. Now vertical multiplication, 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Now friends, we have written the answer of this multiplication in three parts. Now what is second step? Add the numbers in those parts vertically. Let us add these parts. Let us add the numbers in these parts vertically. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5. Now this part, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 4, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. So we have added vertically. Now friends, third and important point, third step. Now accept leftmost digit, retain units place digit in all parts and pass extra digits, if any, to its immediate left part and start this process from right side. Leftmost part may contain more than one digit. So friends, observe these three parts. Observe these three parts and find out if there is any extra digit. And if you find extra digit, then pass extra digit or extra digits to its immediate left, but leftmost part may contain more than one digit. So let us start this process from right side, right to left. So retain units place digit. Okay, always retain units place digit. Let us retain 0 and pass tens place digit 5 to its immediate left part. Passing means adding. Okay, that means we will shift, we will transfer this 5 to this second part from right side and add 5 to this 97. So 97 plus 5 is how much? 102. Now come to this part only. Second part. What is second part? 102. Retain units place digit 2 and pass higher place digits 1 and 0, that means 10, to its immediate left, which is 39. Passing means we will transfer this 10 to this third part, 39, and we will add 10 to this 39. Okay, let us add 10 to 39, 49. Now friends, let us write final answer. 4, 9. Neglect this 10 because we have passed this 10 already to its left. Write 2 only, this digit. Neglect this 5, we have already passed it. Write 0. 4920, 4920 is answer. Okay, so let us write answer here. Answer is 45 multiplied by 37 plus 93 multiplied by 35 is 4920. So friends, in this way product and their sum is done at a time. Second example, 324 multiplied by 12 plus 5037 multiplied by 19. So let us first write these two products. 324 multiplied by 12 plus 5037 multiplied by 19. Now consider this first product. Consider first product 324 multiplied by 12. Multiplicand and multiplier having different number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. Total 5 digits. 5 minus 1, 4. We will get answer in 4 parts. 5 minus 1, 4. So let us write answer here in this area. Starting from right side, consider first column 2 and 4. Multiplying 2 and 4 vertically. 2 4s are 8. Write 8. Now join second column to first column. Now there are two columns. So multiplying the digits in these two columns crosswise, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 4s are 4. That means 8. Now friends, we have covered these two digits. Now it is time to exclude units place digit in the multiplicand and consider these two digits, higher place digits 2 and 3. Consider two higher place digits in multiplicand 2 and 3 and 2 digits in multiplier, that means 2 and 1. So multiplying crosswise, second column and third column, multiplying crosswise, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 2s are 2, that means 8. Write 8 here. Now friends, exclude this second column and consider third column. 1 3s are 3. So we have written answer in 4 parts. Now come to this product, second product, 5037 multiplied by 19. 4 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 minus 1. We will write the answer in 5 parts. Starting from right side, consider rightmost column 9 and 7. 9 7s are 63. Write 63 in the first part below 8. Now consider second column, that means join second column to first column. There are two columns, so multiplying the digits in these two columns crosswise, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 7 7. 27 plus 7, 34. Write 34 in second part below this 8. Okay. Now friends, we have covered these two digits. Now it is time to exclude units place digit in the multiplicand, which is 7, and consider these two digits 3 and 0, two higher place digits. Why two digits? because there are 2 digits in multiplier. So consider, in this step, consider tens place digit 3 and hundreds place digit 0. Okay, and these 2 digits in multiplier. So this is first column and this is second column. I mean, this is second column. Basically we have excluded this first column. Okay, so this is second column and this is third column. Multiplying the digits crosswise. 900 plus 1 3 is a 3, that means 3. Write 3 in third part below this 8. Now friends, we have covered this 2 digits, units place digit and hundreds place digit in multiplicand. Now let us exclude this 3 and consider 0 and 5. Consider 0 and 5 and the 2 digits in multiplier. So let me erase these 2 lines. Yes. Now consider these 2 digits in multiplicand 0 and 5 and 2 digits in multiplier. So crosswise. This is third column, 0 and 9 is third column and 5 and 1 is fourth column. Multiplying the digits in third and fourth column crosswise. So 9 5s are 45. See, 9 5s are 45 plus 100, that means 45. Write 45 in fourth part below this 3. Now we have covered this 2 digits, 2 columns, third and fourth column. Now exclude third column. Exclude this third column 0 and 9 and consider fourth column 5 and 1. Multiplying the digit 5 and 1 vertically. So 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Write 5 here. We have written answer of this second product in 5 parts. Now it is time to add vertically. It is time to add vertically. What to add? Adding the digits in these parts vertically. First part, 8 plus 63, how much? 71. 34 plus 8, how much? 42. 8 plus 3, 11. 45 plus 3, 48, and 5 as it is. Okay, because there's nothing to add here. So we have added and wrote answer in 5 parts. Now it is time to, very important step, third step, it is time to pass extra digits if any. Find extra digits and start this process from right side, right to left. Leftmost part may contain more than 1 digit. Okay, so let us start from right side. Consider this part, first part from right side. Retain units place digit 1, 7 is an extra digit. Pass 7 to its immediate left. Passing means adding. So add 7 to this 42. Write 49. Now come to second part from right side. Retain units place digit 9 and pass tens place digit 4 to its immediate left. That means 11. 11 plus 4, because passing means adding. 11 plus 4, 15. Retain units place digit 5 and pass tens place digit 1 to its left, immediate left. What is immediate left to this part? 48. 48 plus 1. Higher place digit 1, tens place digit 1. We have retained units place digit 5 and we are going to pass this 1. Passing means adding. So 48 plus 1, 49. Now come to this part, fourth part. Retain units place digit 9 and pass tens place digit 4 to its immediate left, which is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So we have balanced it. So it is time to write final answer. Write leftmost part as it is. Write 9 as it is. Neglect this 4 because we have already worked upon it. We have passed this 4. Write retained digits. Write 9 here. Neglect this 1. Write 5. Neglect this 4. Write 9. Neglect this 7. Write 1. 99,591. So let us write final answer 99591. That means 324 multiplied by 12 plus 5037 multiplied by 19 is 99,591. So let us solve next example. Third example, 579 multiplied by 332 minus 3721 multiplied by 33. So let us solve this example now. Let us first write these two products. So friends, let us first write the answer of this first product in parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. Both multiplicand and multiplier containing 3 digits each. That means 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1 will be the number of parts. 2 multiplied by 3, 6, minus 1, 5. That means we need 5 parts to get answer, to write answer of this product. So write answer in parts. First column from right side. 2 multiplied by 9, 2 nines are 18. Now join second column to first column. Now there are two columns. So multiplying the digits in these two columns crosswise, 7 twos are 14 plus 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 14. How much? 27 plus 10, 37 plus 4, 41. 41. Now friends, join third column to first two columns. Now there are three columns. So multiplying the digits in the three columns at a time. Consider outer columns. Multiply the digits in these two outer columns crosswise. 2 5s are 10 plus 3 9s are 27. That means 37. Plus 3 7s are 21. 37 plus 21. How much? 58. Okay, 58. Now we have covered three columns. So it is time to exclude first column and consider last two columns. That means second and third column. Two columns. So multiplying the digits crosswise. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 7s are 21. 15 plus 21, 36. 36. Now exclude second column also and consider last column, third column from right side. 3 5s are 15. Write 15. Now friends, we have written the answer of this product in 5 parts: 18, 41, 58, 36 and 15. Okay, 15. Correct. Now let us write the answer of this product: 3721 multiplied by 33. So how many parts we need to write the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4 in multiplicand, 4 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. That means we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1, that means 5 parts. Okay, equal number of parts we required for this product. Okay, so starting from right side, consider first column. 3 ones are 3. Write 3 in first part below 18. Join second column to first column. Now there are two columns. Multiplying crosswise. 3 twos are 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Write 9. Now friends, we have covered these two digits. Okay, that means in other words two columns. Now let us exclude this digit, first digit, units place digit of multiplicand, and consider these two digits. Consider these two digits. These two digits and these two digits will make two columns. See, second column and third column. Why two digits? Because there are two digits in multiplier. Still, if you still have confusion about the Urdhva-Tiryak multiplication of such numbers which have different number of digits, please refer previous video lectures on Urdhva-Tiryak multiplication. So, now second column and third column, two columns, so multiplying the digits in these two columns crosswise. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So 21 plus 6, 27. Write 27 in third part below 58. Now friends, we have covered these two digits also. Now exclude tens place digit in multiplicand and consider these two digits, higher place digits 7 and 3. Now 7 and 3, 2 digits in multiplicand and 2 digits in multiplier. Third column 7 and 3 third column, 3 and 3 fourth column. Consider these two columns and multiply the digits in these two columns crosswise. So 3 multiplied by 3 and 7 multiplied by 3. 9 plus 21. 3 3s are 9 plus 7 3s are 21. 30. So write 30 in fourth part below 36. Now friends, we have covered these two columns also, these two digits also. Now let us consider last column from right side. 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so write 9 in fifth part below 15. So friends, in this way we have calculated the answer in parts of the second product also. Now we are going to subtract this product from first product. Answer of first product is this first row and answer of second product is this second row. This is subtrahend. So let us change the sign of these digits. Yes. See, bar means negative. Okay, bar indicates that these digits are negative. Now friends, let us subtract. Simple rule, find which number is greater, subtract smaller one from greater one and give a sign of greater one. 18 minus 3, 15, write 15 here. 41 minus 9, 32. 58 minus 27, how much? 8 minus 7, 1. 5 minus 2, 3, 31. 36 minus 30, simple, 6. 15 minus 9, simple, 6. So we have done addition of positive number and negative numbers. Now third important step is, see, we are going to write final answer now, but before that balance it, balance these parts. How to balance? Find if there are extra digits or if there is extra digit, and if you find extra digit then pass extra digit to immediate left part. While finding extra digit or while passing extra digits, always retain units place digit, okay, and pass higher place digit or digits to its immediate left. Now in the first part 5 is units place digit, so retain units place digit 5 in the same part and pass this tens place digit 1 to its immediate left. Passing means adding, so add this extra digit 1 of first part to the number 32 of second part, which is its immediate left. Okay, so 32 plus 1 is 33. Now come to this part, that means come to this second part. Retain units place digit 3 and pass tens place digit 3 to its immediate left, which is 31. 31 plus 3, 34. Now come to this part only. Retain units place digit 4 and pass tens place digit 3 to its immediate left, which is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. In this part there is only single digit, okay, units place digit only, so no need to pass. So let us write answer, final answer. Write leftmost part 6 as it is, write 9 from second part. Now forget this 3, neglect this 3 because we have already passed it. Write units place digit 4, retained digit 4. Write from this part, write retained digit 3. In this part neglect this and write retained digit 5. So answer is 69,435. So let us write answer 69,435. So friends, in this way sum or difference of products, calculation of sum or difference of products are done simultaneously at a time. Okay,